So this is the first jobbing that we have. So where guys, there are a couple of people those who are looking internship in web dev, web development, front end, back end. So we have for them as well. It's a 3 to 6 month of internship, right? VAPT intern, INFOSEC intern, sales interns are there. So no specific degree is required. What matter? Can you build a automation real thing? You can sell thing or you can access. Just check it out. Or drop your resume so that accordingly, whatever requirement they'll be having, they are going to hire you, right? So this is a mail ID info@fosec.in and prisita.dagar@fosec.in. You can apply there. This is the next one, which is in ODSEG, right? So they want L1, 0 to 1 years of experience, which is probably again SOC. By SOC सीखो बहुत important है. That's why I say there's a lot of job needs, but people are not getting because of the skills. Skills के लिए you can join from here viehgroup.com/SOC. Check out this URL if you want to learn about SOC. L2, 2 to 3 years of experience required. L3 where 4+ years of experience required, right? This is the QR code on which you need to drop your resume. To register, just check out. There might be some URL from where you can apply, right? And this is the address hr@orisec.com on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is urgent requirement for information security consultant. They want 1 month up to 6 days. Notice period 1.8 to 3 years of kind of experience should be there. It's a Noida based company and information security consultant. Again, this is the freshers job, right? So guys, apply karo bhai. Responsibility will be you need to conduct advanced security assessment for client web application, APIs, mobile application, thick client application. You need to utilize OWASP methodology and all those things. Nidhi.bakshi@esec40.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Guys, esec40 is hiding a lot, so keep eye. Pen testers, red teaming on-site Ahmedabad. 2+ years of experience required. Red teamers, this is for you. There are a couple of people who message me. They want a job as a red teamer. You can do here. What they need: 2+ years of experience in web, mobile API network security, hands-on cloud security experience, OSCP, CRTP relevant certificate, Shreya@psy9.in. Tia@psy9.in is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Ahmedabad based location, right? Next one is cyber consultant LLP is hiring for VAPT associate, and the skills is mobile application, dynamic testing, API, web application, network infra, source code. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Noida sector 16, the place where you need to work. Immediate joining within 1 month. Job role is cybersecurity consultant, and this is a mail ID tulika.agarwal@acquisiry.com, right? Now the next one is ProTech Magazine, right? So the company is hiring again VAPT professional, web API, mobile application security, Bobswood knowledge should be there, Nessus Metasploit, thick line secure code review. 0 to 30 days of experience is required, right? And this is the mail on which you can drop your resume. So you should be from Mumbai or Pune only, then you will get hired. Next one is source code secure code developer, right? You should have knowledge of code review, code risk assessment, secure code best practices, threat monitoring, training awareness, and all those things. Mail ID is careers@infoperspective.com. 1.5 years experience is required. Secure code review. Right. देख लो यार couple things. Just take it out and do accordingly. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.